Alright, welcome back to the channel. We are starting a new project today. Not the tracker. Don't die of shock. I bought this truck about a year ago for my wife. Yes, it is her truck, not mine. It is an 86 Chevy C10. It has a 305 700R4 transmission and a 273 rear end. Yes, I said 273. So super high ratio rear end. So some of the plans with this truck, we've got a lot of rust repair. This corner, this cab corner's rusted out. The floor in here. Floor's rusted through. You can see that with the light. We got some rust repair to do over on the other side, and we got rust repair to do in the wheel wells on the bed. So we've actually ordered all of those parts from LMC Trucks, so pretty excited about that. The other thing that we're going to do with this is we're going to convert it to a, I'm going to pull a rear end out of a four-wheel drive truck, so it has a 6-lug, and we're going to go to a new rim. This is a new style, just an OEM Chevy rim, but it's a 6-bolt and it's an 18-inch. The plan with this truck is to go to a much bigger tire, level it, and go to a much bigger tire. We're not going to drop it down low to go to really tight tires. Not my style. We're not going to convert it to 4-wheel drive. It's going to stay 2-wheel drive, and we're going to do a Vortec 350 in it. That's the plan today. It may change. We're going to do a Vortec 350 in it. We're going to put a mild cam in it. Let's see. Yeah, so we got some body damage. I've already started picking up parts. I got a new fender for it. I've got new wheel wells for the front. Let's see. Yeah, today we're probably going to be cleaning out the inside. It is a little bit messy, a little bit dirty, not too bad, but we're going to be, yeah, we're going to be getting it all cleaned out. And probably what we're going to do today is just get the interior basically stripped, so I can start doing rust repair. And the gear ratio for the rear end, I'm going to do another video, you'll see it upcoming here, about how to pick a gear ratio, how to determine what gear ratio you need depending on cruising RPMs and tire diameter and all that kind of stuff. I'll show you how to do all that, show you all the math on that. That'll be an upcoming video, but that's what we got. So stick around, we'll get this pulled into the garage and go from there. Garage. You excited?
Well, yeah.
All right, my wife's here. She's gonna start helping. It's her truck.
Well, yeah.
So we're gonna start tearing the interior out of this. I think first thing first, we're gonna get the seat out of it, and yeah, get the seat out of it. We're gonna take everything off the floor. We're gonna leave the dash in it. I don't have any intention of pulling that out.
At least not right now.
Yeah, not right now. We'll deal with that as we buy parts for it. Yeah, so that's where we're gonna start. I think we're just gonna put it on time lapse and get moving. So here we go. Uh-oh.
What?
I think this bolt is rusted in.
Well,
I might have to put an impact on it. We might be doing more than just rust repair. be doing bolt repair. Oh,
You got it.
miracles do happen. It come out. All right, where's the next bolt? Is it on that side? Yep, there it is.
Yep, there it is.
Finally came.
Whew, got
That
it.
bolt's hot.
All right.
Woo, we didn't break it. It's hot though. All right, other side. In my pocket.
Found it.
There it goes. Thing's hot. That head of that thing's hot too.
All right. You just lift it out, huh?
Yeah, we're just gonna slide it that way. Hold on. Seatbelt.
Yep, it's getting caught on the seatbelt soon. Oh, that one too, huh?
Two over there. Hey, look! I found a quarter!
Nice. We're rich. We're rich. We're rich. All of our financial problems are solved.
Oh, that's a bill of sale. Okay. You wanna grab that side? Let's just
Yeah.
work it out.
Okay. Gotta kind of lift it.
Yep. Go ahead. Under it. There we go.
Got it? Yep.
Yep.
All right.
Oh,
Where are we going?
I don't know, right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look at that. Got a new shop bench. No.
I was gonna say you really want that bench in this current.
Heavy duty glass cleaner.
I mean, you would get special.
Heavy duty glass cleaner. Like I like to clean glass. What's
Well,
that?
that's just about the only thing he likes to clean. I was gonna say, if you did use it as a shop bench, you would get some free pet hair on your clothes as an accessory. If that's
Pass.
No, that's not a look you're going for.
No, not at all. Seatbelt. There's a rivet in that cover right there. Sweet. All right. That's that. We got the interior stripped out of it. I know it's not a lot of content on this video, but it's a good introduction. I'm gonna pull it out of the garage. Let's take it back in the backyard. Yeah, so I think, yeah, this is gonna be a fun project. It's gonna be really cool. I'm doing sticking with my style of just trying to stay cheap, and do not a full restoration on it, but make it a nice driver. My wife likes the truck. It's gonna be her truck to drive to the bookstore and whatever she wants to do with it. So that's where we're at. Thanks for watching.